Hi friends, welcome to the Infosys. If you experience this problem on your Android phone, read not available. So I'm going to show you how to reset this problem and watch this video till the end without skipping a second. First of all, close your Instagram application, tap and hold your application, tap on app info, and after that tap on storage and tap on clear cache. Now go back, open your Play Store application and search here Instagram. You can see my Instagram application has been already updated. So open your Instagram application here. Again tap on this messenger icon. Again open desired chat with your friend. Now you can see the reads are visible to me. If you are experiencing the same problem on your iPhone, so I already been uploaded a video for iPhone. You can click the video at the end of this section or do visit to my channel to watch this video.